Domino's vegan pizzas is making history here. This is one of them here. This has got a bit smashed around in my box and I just carried it on my bike. It's not elegant, but it's real. And so look at this. Look at this. This is a receipt here. This is Domino's Australia. I'm not sure what it's like Domino's US or Domino's anywhere else. But my name, I use David. It's just easier to. So that's Domino's Australia. Pick up paid. Rode my bike there. Vegan, spicy veg trio, and a vegan margarita. I think this is the spicy veg trio, but there's some nice pizzas here. This is Domino's. I'm going to do a taste test here. This is like a traditional pizza. Check it out. That's pretty good. It's definitely very, very cheesy. Very cheesy, very nice. All right, that's one pizza down. That was pretty good. Let's go for pizza number 2. This one is the margarita. The margarita. Very nice. Not too greasy. They've got a bit more fat content, but they're pretty light. This is the margarita. And we've got the third pizza here. These pizzas are very, very filling. Very, very filling. This one a little bit crushed up, but this is the avocado one. So we'll try a slice of that. These pizzas are very good. They're very, very filling. Very filling.
Bum.
Oh, I'm so glad we saw one.
And so close too.
Yeah.
Look in a sec.
Awesome.
So we're
This is Adelaide.